I'm Dean Schauer. I'm the Chairman, President, and CEO of Confluent Medical Technologies.
Hello, I'm Doug Hutchison. I am the Chief Commercial Officer with Confluent Medical Technologies.
My name is Matt Eckel. I'm the Chief Financial Officer at Confluent Medical Technologies.
The Confluent mission and values really drive the core strategy of the organization as well as what we want to be.
We want to be the industry's most trusted partner, providing solutions to the medical device industry. If somebody thinks about our company, we can go through the technology portfolios and all the cool products that we make, but the most important thing I would like them to leave when they interact with our company is understanding our vision, our mission, and our value system.
At Confluent, we're an expert in designing and developing manufacturing process for the medical device industry.
We have the best team, great leadership, and we have a fantastic workforce that can make a fully implantable product that our customers can completely rely upon.
Confluent actually, I think, is a differentiated material science company that just happens to have the ability to use our expertise to develop life-saving devices. And we spent the last 10 to 12 years putting together a business that has other capabilities. We've gone through 8 acquisitions during that time frame, multiple plant expansions, technology developments, all focused on differentiated material science capabilities, all focused on enhancing the products and services that we can provide, and specifically around how to provide tangential capabilities to our Nitinol product families.
Nitinol is still very much the heart of the company, a key capability of the company. We are very much the leader when it comes to technology and supporting the medical space with Nitinol.
Nitinol represents about half of our business, and the other technology platforms represent the other half. All complementary, all integrated.
We are constantly educating our customers that we actually offer a broad range of services. We added balloon catheters, we've added textiles, complex catheters, and polymers.
We are much broader and much more capable in the other technology platforms as maybe folks assume, and we're equally strong in those as we are in the Nitinol space. I don't think there's anything more important outside of the device design and performance itself than an integrated supply chain system.
Vertical integration in the medical device industry is important because it's about speed and quality.
A strong partnership with Confluent starts at the very beginning when a customer is trying to actually develop a design.
We have several engineers, a prototyping team that are focused on understanding their design specs. It doesn't matter how complex or how small you want to get it. We have the ability to work all the way back to the alloy.
We had a founder of ours who once said, I think one of the most profound things, he said, he who makes the first device tends to make the last one. So we work very hard to be at the forefront of our customers' design process.
Over the last 10 years, this company has invested close to $150 million in capital towards people, equipment, buildings to deliver on the promise of being the trusted partner for the industry.
What makes me excited about the future growth of our business, as well as the access we're going to have to so many other technologies to bolt onto what we've already got in place. So it's somewhat, I hate to say it, but the sky's a bit of the limit here with us because we have so many things ahead of us.